Hello guys, there we have a Samsung Galaxy M33, and today I will show you a few things to do if you want to rearrange and customize a home screen on your device. So we will start from the widgets. If you want to add a new widget, just hold your finger on the screen and go to the widgets. Now just choose your desired widget and hold the finger again on it. Now just choose the place for it. If you want to resize it, just hold your finger again, and how you can see now by sliding the edge, we can change the size of it. And this is how it works. Okay, if you want to make a folder on this device, just hold the icon of any app and drop it to another. How you can see now we have a folder. If you want to change the name of it, click here and choose your new name. If you want to add other app, just click on this little plus and choose the apps. If you want to change the color of your folder, click here and just choose your new folder color. How you can see now I have a pink folder. If you want to remove that folder, just hold apps from it and drop to the home screen. Okay, the next way is changing a color in your menu app. To do it, just hold your finger again and go to wallpaper and style. Now choose the color palette and choose your new colors. You can see it's worked perfectly. And the last thing to do is changing a device theme and wallpaper. Just click here and choose your new theme for your device. You can also choose the new wallpaper. And of course new icon style. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe and goodbye.